Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about the cuts that have been happened to Medicaid and how this is going to be affecting nursing homes. Okay, stay towards the end because the video is really interesting. You're going to love this one. Thank you.
Have you heard all the stories on TikTok about nursing homes closing because of Medicaid cuts? Nursing homes are closing because of Medicaid cuts. I thought you were trying to get rid of waste, fraud, and abuse. Well, look at this. Tennessee, this is an FAFO for you, the red state of Tennessee, who voted for Donald Trump and is now going to have up to 12 nursing homes immediately closed due to cutting of Medicaid. There are 78 million Americans on Medicaid, 20% of the population.
Yep. Them nursing homes finna not take Medicaid, so y'all better get them rooms ready for Mima and Pawpaw. Yeah, combine them kids' room, get rid of the den, man cave, whatever y'all got, scoot it over, because Mima and Pawpaw is coming to the crib. I don't want to hear nothing. This is not what I voted for. Yes, this is absolutely what you voted for. Okay? No, I don't want to hear any of that. Mima and Pawpaw will be at the crib in 30 to 45 days. All right? Yeah. Yeah. That's where we are. And listen, before you get in my comments with that red, blue, left, right, I don't want to hear none of that, bro. You can put that Trump hat and that shirt on your Mimo and Pawpaw, but they coming to the crib. You can best believe that. If your in-laws use Medicaid, a lot of these services are going to not accept Medicaid. So yeah, make room.
Yes, and it's some people that is misinformed with this one. Some people that doesn't have the information about this. The nursing homes been calling people. If you have a family member in a nursing home, it depends for Medicaid for the account can be paid. Yes, you for sure are gonna be getting a call from this nursing home, for you can come and pick up your family member. And it is really sad because some when you just get older, you just get all kinds of mental problems, or maybe this person have some kind of illness that it cannot be treated at home, or maybe represent a threat to the family members. But if they are there because of Medicaid, well, let me tell you, you're gonna have to go get your family member.
So it has been announced that Medicaid is getting cut off. If a family member live in a nursing home, y'all now have to find somewhere for them to stay, because they will no longer be able to stay in the nursing home as long as they have Medicaid and they don't have another way to pay for the nursing home. And this is so sad. They said it was supposed to happen years down the line, but it's currently taking place now as I speak. And it's just like, how can y'all do something so cruel to the elderly? What about the ones that was in the nursing home and don't have no family? What about those ones? Like, it's just, America's just becoming more fucked up as the day passes by. I just don't understand anymore. Medicaid was brought up to support the ones that's in need, and now y'all taking it away. It's just like, where can they go? Families now have to take their parents back to their house and take care for them. They were put into the nursing home in the first place because they couldn't take care for them. And it's just like, America will want to assist you just to take that assistance away. I don't indulge in any type of assistance at all.
Hey, y'all, just coming through real quick. Listen, have y'all heard or saw the video of the young lady saying that her father is in a nursing home under Medicaid? And the nursing home is saying that he has to September the 15th to find somewhere to go, because they're going to do away with the Medicaid. We know that 65% of individuals in nursing homes, y'all, are covered under Medicaid. So this may result in individuals having to go back home to their families to take care of them at the level that the nursing home will be doing it. Okay, you'll have to do that at home yourself, probably, or hire somebody if you can afford it. Okay, or the nursing home may shut all the way down. Some of them may put all the people on Medicaid out and privatize it and just private pay. So y'all, that was something to think about when they went out and voted for what they voted for. What do you all think about that? Do you have family that's in a nursing home that may have to be put out or leave or go home? Let me know. Comment, share, and follow me.
You wonder about the big, beautiful bills, section 44121. People keep talking about the Medicare cuts in the bill. It's unfortunate, but they're confusing Medicaid with Medicare. So this section that I've seen a lot of videos on is going to reduce minimum staffing in nursing homes and the requirements to work in a nursing home. Yeah, it's terrible. I think we can all agree that is terrible. It's already not a good situation. They're going to make it worse to save money for Medicaid. For Medicaid. Now, you guys want to argue with me, but I can tell you, knowing rich people, that there are facilities that do not take Medicaid people. They're rich people, and they have a very different level of care. Most nursing homes have beds for both people on Medicaid and people that are on private pay. If you're on private pay, typically you have a private room. And they'll say the care by law is not allowed to be any better. It's better, okay? We all know how money works. It's going to be a little bit better.
Breaking news this afternoon. So if you have a mom, a dad, a grandma, an uncle, a brother, a sister that lives in an assisted living facility, a nursing home, be prepared to make some room on your couch, room in your spare bedroom, because most likely you will have a family member that will have to move in with you soon enough. Let me explain. So 99% of nursing homes, nursing home facilities, assisted living for the elderly are no longer going to be accepting Medicaid. Yes, guys, you heard me correctly. Nursing homes and assisted living facilities are no longer going to be accepting Medicaid, which means that the majority of the elderly people in those facilities are going to be without somewhere to go in about 30 to 45 days. And that is all thanks to the big, beautiful fucking bill that everybody thought was so great. So prepare, guys, if you have family members of, that are elderly and that are currently in nursing homes, assisted living, make sure you scoot over some room on your couch in your spare bedroom, because you will have family coming over. And that is all thanks to the fucking Trumpies, Latinos for Trump, all the stupid lawmakers, and everybody else that did not want to listen and thought the big, beautiful bill was going to be big and beautiful, is turning out to be a complete shit show. And it's fucking hurting the most vulnerable people in the world today, the elderly. Fucking disgusting. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Share this video so everybody knows what's going on and what's going to happen in 30 to 45 days. Be safe out there, my loves. I love you.
So what are we doing with all the old people? When the big, beautiful bill passes, 1 in 4 nursing homes nationwide will close their doors. So what are we doing with all the old people in there that don't have families, that don't have anyone to take them in? Are we just going to leave them there to rot, or will you actually physically remove them and let them unalive on the streets? And then when that happens, who's going to pay to have them removed from the streets and buried or cremated? Who's doing that? Do we have the money for that? And in case you didn't know, nursing homes aren't just for the elderly that are soon to leave this world. Let's say you break your leg or your hip or your collarbone really bad and you need round-the-clock care. Well, the hospital can't keep you. And if your spouse has to go back to work because you have to pay bills or pay for hundreds of dollars worth of groceries every single week, they send you to a nursing home to take care of you. How's that going to work?
So, trending on social media right now, there is a woman asking why her father is being kicked out of his nursing home by September. and he's on Medicaid. So let's talk about why this is happening. Across the country, nursing homes are cutting ties with Medicaid residents, not because they want to, but because they can't afford to keep them. Medicaid pays some of the lowest reimbursement rates in the entire healthcare system. And in many states, those rates haven't kept up with inflation, staffing costs, or increased medical complexity. So nursing homes are losing money on every Medicaid patient that they currently care for. This crisis didn't start overnight. Under the Trump administration, federal policy pushed for Medicaid cuts, block grants, and privatization, what he likes to call the Big Beautiful Bill. That agenda sought to limit federal Medicaid funding and shift the financial burden to states. So now in 2025, we are living with the consequences. The COVID era protections that paused redeterminations are long gone. Medicaid unwinding has dropped over 20 million people. And with fewer residents covered and payments still too low, nursing homes are making hard financial choices. So some are shutting down entire wings. Others are refusing new Medicaid admissions. And yes, some are discharging long-term residents. So if you're asking why your father is being kicked out, the answer is because the system is being defunded on purpose. When you vote for politicians who promise to shrink entitlements, this is the real world result. Elderly people getting eviction notices. This isn't just bureaucracy, it's policy. And it's hurting families like yours right now.
And we just made it towards the end of this video. Please don't forget giving a like. Help us to support liberal media. And what do you think about my glasses? I almost never wear these glasses because they are so boxy. And it's like, oh, I don't know. But I just not used to, so my eyes are a little bit red because I just wake up and I just started to record. I need to put my eye drops in a minute. But what do you guys think about my glasses? Okay, do you guys like my glasses? I thought with this pink dress and the glasses it will be like a nice thing, but I don't know. I bought these glasses and then when I received them I didn't like it that much, but I said okay, I'm just gonna keep them. And just please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Help us to support liberal media. Okay, help us to support my channel. Okay, you guys take care. Thank you. Bye bye. And if you want to give me a coffee towards the end of this video, I just leave you all the information if you want to just send some money for coffee. Thank you. Bye bye.